The first error to check for is what's called index error, and that is when the horizon is not exactly where it should be. To work that out, the first thing we do is set the sextant to absolutely 0. Now this is the scale of the sextant. These are degrees, and this micrometer is measuring in minutes. So we put our degrees by moving this on something approaching 0, and then we wind it to absolutely nothing, and nothing on the micrometer like that. Now then, if everything's accurate, and we've got no shades on at all, if I sight on the horizon through the sextant, I should see a straight line, because I'm seeing at 0 degrees an image of the horizon coming down from that mirror to that and through here, and I'm also seeing a straight shot of the horizon through the plain glass. So I'm going to get my little adjusting tool here, which goes in this adjusting screw here, which screws this mirror up and down, and I'm going to look at the horizon and see what I can see. Now I've got a bit of horizon here, fortunately, so I'm going to look at it, and what I should see is a straight line. And actually I'm not seeing a perfectly straight line, so I screw my little adjuster around until the line is straight. Now I've got no error there at all now. I've taken it all out with the adjuster, and I've got 0. If I can't take it all out with the adjuster for some reason, and we'll find out why that might be in a moment, then I'm left with index error, which is a known error, and so long as I know it's there, it doesn't matter. So it might end up with the only way I can get the horizon a straight line is to have this reading perhaps 1 minute or something like that. And if I know it's reading 1 minute, then I know it's there, I can correct it, and the book tells me how to do that. The next error to check for is side error, and this is fairly common in sextants that haven't been properly adjusted. Now I can see in the distance there a chimney. I could be using a lighthouse either, a nice vertical lighthouse, but I'm going to use that distant chimney. It's got to be reasonably far away, and so it is. Now looking at it with everything set to 0 again, what I should see is the chimney absolutely, as it were, in line with itself, just see one chimney. But if I've got some side error, I'll see 2 chimneys, one beside the other. So I'm going to have a look, and I am actually seeing slightly one to one side of the other. So I'm winding it in. I wind it in until the 2 chimneys are right on top of each other. So I've got rid of the side error by doing that. Now at this point I need to check my index error again, because I may have had some effect on that. So I'm just going to have a look. Yeah, I've got a bit of index error now. So I take it out, there it is, it's gone. Now I look at my side error. There's a tiny bit of side error there, but I'm prepared to live with that. That's the compromise that's worth making.